Alright, so what's poppin' YouTube? This your boy DeAndre 10K, and by the title of this thumbnail, it's about that time. It's about that time to install my new spoiler. So I know I had gave a little sneak peek in my last video, my previous video and everything. And yes, I'm sitting in my trunk because I'm gonna have to open it anyway. Gotta pop these pins. But yeah though, man, I'm gonna go ahead and hop straight into the video. I'm gonna let my parts record and everything. I'm gonna try to do a step-by-step process, and man, we're gonna get this done because it's getting dark out here and it's about to start raining. Okay, motorcycle. But this spoiler right here, say bye-bye. All right, so let me grab the tools and everything I need, and we're gonna get busy. As you see, we have to get these pins out, and then we can start on the outside. So go ahead and pry these out. I ain't got the proper tool to pop these out, so I'm just gonna use a flathead screwdriver. Either way, you can still get them out. Okay. The next step is gonna remove this, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna skip ahead because I don't want y'all to watch me struggle, because this is a pain. We don't have the proper tool to do this. So then with one more right there, and this one drop down. Gotta use what we gotta use, fellas. Now I just gotta twist these out. Wait for Pop to get his. And what you wanna do, you wanna get this surrounded. Some owners might be loose and easy to get. Some might be stiff as this one, but hey, I got it. So nut out. They're 10mm nuts. Gotta get this, both these out, and then there's two on the inside.
All right. It's on the edge now.
Yeah. What we doing right here, guys? We just lowered the trunk, so we gonna try to drop. So we gonna try to drop the nut in the decklet. So we just slowly working with it. Like this right here, you have to take your time because you don't want none of your bolts to fall in.
Ease it up. Ease it up.
Yeah, it's in there. Yeah, you got it. Well, that's one. 3 more to go. These right here should be easy. We just like got to work with this. So yeah, we're gonna start on the outside, then work our way on the inside. I think yeah. You got it. Yes, sir. Y'all gotta be careful with this. I cannot stress this. Oh, I dropped my nuts. And there we have it. One more to go. Got it. And boom, there we go. Look at all that adhesive. Real hard to get, but we end up getting it though. So as y'all see, I already got the spoiler removed. I'm just wiping down. Go ahead and try to get this put on before it start raining, because I told y'all earlier in the video it's gonna start raining. So everything looking good, man. I'm just doing the extra little wipe downs or whatever. And all this pollen. I ride around with no spoiler. That's crazy. Like you can get a S550 with no, like, without the hose in it, like a spoiler delete, and it won't come with no hose. But man, just imagine I would got this car with no spoiler. Look how dope that look. Look real good though. But yeah, it's time to put the track pack on. As y'all see, we got the track pack spoiler right here. What I'm doing is I'm peeling back the adhesive. So I'm going by what I seen on YouTube. So we're just gonna peel that back just a little bit. So this is what I did. on both sides. They did it. We already lined the hose up. They did a good job with the fitment. So then we do peel this back. Then once we get it on, we can just peel it back some more. So yeah, so I see y'all see when we finish.
Just don't drop
Okay,
the boat.
so as y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see that. No, y'all can't see that. Oh, y'all can see that, but either way, we had got the screw in there. And they got the adhesive hanging out, so that's what it looks like. It's for right now. See, adhesive both sides. So now, well, I'm about to go ahead and get the last two, and they fit up well, so just gotta screw them in, and yeah. And I gotta take my time with this because I don't want it to snap. Like this. Oop, see, it's getting real. Yep, it's getting stiff right here. You gotta be real careful, real careful. I could just meet it halfway. That's why it's not important. That's why it's important not to take these off so fast. Unless you're a professional. And oh, see how I ripped it? So as y'all see, I got all the adhesive off. It ripped on one end, but like I said, I met it on the other end. Now I just gotta snug them four down, and then that's really that. So those one. Now I just gotta get this last one. I have all four tighten up. Swing that over. Yep, you see how I do that? It's really not hard at all, guys. But if you try to record, and do this, then it's gonna be hard. You gotta go ahead and get to it. Boom. There we go. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 push pins that you should put back, that you're supposed to put back in place. So after that, yep. Make sure my short mother. Nah, it's too late to hide that. Don't try to hide that. Oh, they eat some Cheetos. And so boom, this is it, guys. It's fully installed, and this is it. Got it all done. Ain't all done. Me and Pop installed it. Shout out to Pop, recorder and everything. Yeah, all of that. So we did that, man. This is the finished product. It's about to rain. It's already doing some raindrops, but other than that, man, it's all installed.